Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget subscribe buttons are down there to get notified of future videos from myself and Kenny. Today we can just have a quick look through the latest issue of Luftwaffe IM Focus. This is issue number 31. Okay, so let's have a look inside Luftwaffe IM Focus, edition 31, German English. The English is always perfect. I think it's a guy in Canada who translated actually. This one, as it says here, unpublished photographs. These magazines, it's always just full of unpublished photographs. In fact, almost always 100% of them are unpublished. Okay, so start off with contents. A couple of bits here. Early war sort of search and rescue aircraft based in Norway just after the German occupation. I'm just going to go through the contents. So as always, starts off with the editorial. This one, Axel's explaining that although he promised that this one was supposed to be a late war, it was full of late war photographs. Basically it's the next one that's now going to be the late war photographs. So this is sort of a bit of an extra one sort of put in between. The usual thing with readers forum, people send in more photographs, more information, sometimes corrections to articles that have appeared in previous issues. And these ones, editions 26, 27, edition 30, and extra photographs. This photo of the fighters. Then an article about some unusual things underneath the wings of this 110. Nobody seems to know quite what they are. An article on Priller's BF-109. They found some colour slides, so you can actually get the true colours. Wave mirror camouflage on a Heinkel 111. Some good photographs of that. A pretty big article on these little markings here. They are only on 3KG1 between 1940 and 1942, but it's an explanation of the different types of them, what they meant, the colours of them, so on and so forth. Various photographs of them on aircraft, colour illustrations as well. And there's quite a long article and explanation on that one. More mirror wave camouflage on a Messerschmitt 410. And then on to another pretty big article on Luftgau Commando Moscow. Basically they created that, even obviously the Germans didn't occupy Moscow, just got to the suburbs. But this unit was created, basically it was a bit like a support unit supplying parts, people and material to the Luftwaffe units in the area. So it's mostly sort of transport aircraft, as you see here, sort of utility aircraft. Have their own sort of symbols and logos, and they moved around a bit and existed for a couple of years because they were supplying parts. They had trucks as well with their own unit emblem on there. So there's lots of those. Some pretty fair photographs of a Junkers 252. This one's a bit the worse for wear. Another pretty big article on Novotny. There's various places or magazines, books have said here's the last photographs of Novotny. Some of them are wrong, some of them are very wrong. They've even got the wrong people in it. but they've found a series of photographs, obviously never previously published. This is a week before his death, and he's attending a funeral of somebody else from Commando Novotny. So there's an article about those and a big bunch of photographs on that. This is Battle of Britain time. They've built like a little, we call it spa time before a mission over England. So they've built that to keep comfortable while they're waiting. Young's 52. That's unusual because the undersides are completely black, even the undercarriage legs are black as well. And then on the back cover we've got a couple of emblems. Bit of, well, toilet humour is probably a good thing to describe them. And that's it. So was that 48, 50 pages including the covers. Best place to get these is direct from the publisher, because they can then put the profits back into the next articles, the next books. I'll put the links underneath the video and they'll be on the website as well. And there's full sort of details about the contents and things is on the website if you want to read a full read of the contents list in English. So there you go.